The political temperature in the state of Maharashtra is on rise after the arrest of Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik. BJP MLA Nitesh Rane and former MP Nilesh Rane seem to be in a fresh trouble now as the Azad Maidan police on Sunday registered a case against them for remarks linking Nationalist Congress Party chief Sharad Pawar with fugitive underworld don Dawood Ibrahim. The brothers, sons of Union Minister Narayan Rane, have been booked for criminal conspiracy under IPC sections 120B and under relevant sections for wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot, promoting enmity between two groups on the grounds of religion, race, etc. Defamation statements conducing to public mischief. The FIR was registered on the complaint of NCP leader Suraj Chavan, who even submitted to police some video clips showing the Rane brothers making the remarks. Sources said the police is likely to summon the brothers soon to record their statements. In a press conference held last Wednesday, Nilesh Rane had said that Sharad Pawar is underworld don Dawood Ibrahim's man in Maharashtra, which is probably why he wasn't seeking the resignation of NCP leader and State Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. Is this Dawood's government? Ministers should remove Mahatma Gandhi's photo from their cabins and put up Dawood's photo instead, pay respects to his photo, construct a memorial for him and give him the Maharashtra Bhushan Award too, Nitesh Rane told reporters on Sunday. A special PMLA court in Mumbai has sent Nawab Malik to judicial custody till March 21. Earlier, National Congress Party President Sharad Pawar had said that Nawab Malik's arrest in the money laundering case is politically motivated. Pawar also questioned Malik's ties with Dawood Ibrahim claim. While talking about the alleged links of Nawab Malik with crime lord Dawood Ibrahim, Sharad Pawar said that the BJP links of any of his party workers belonging to the Muslim community with Dawood. While addressing a press conference in Pune, the NCP chief said Nawab Malik's arrest is politically motivated. He is being linked to Dawood just because he is a Muslim. Many members of the NCP have come out in the support of Nawab Malik ever since his arrest. The BJP has been demanded Malik's resignation from the party as he remains embroiled in the money laundering case. Addressing this, Pawar said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should explain why his minister Narayan Rane did not tender resignation when he was arrested.
कि एक अच्छे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के रूप में उनकी पहचान चारों ओर फैलती थी और मुंबई को, जो कि हमारी आर्थिक जीवन को गति देने वाली नगरी, एक कालखंड आया, पूरा एक दशक आया कि जहां अंडरवर्ल्ड ने एक प्रकार से मुंबई के जीवन को तहस नहस कर दिया था और एक अंधकार सा माहौल दिख रहा था कि अगर मुंबई अंडरवर्ल्ड के हाथ में चला गया तो क्या होगा। और मैं कहता हूं कि शरद राव की हिम्मत थी और उनका कौशल्य था कि उन्होंने मुंबई को अंडरवर्ल्ड से बचाया, उसे बाहर निकाला। ये उनका सामर्थ्य था।